Class 10th Geography. Today we shall discuss on the basis of ownership. First, individual resources. These are also owned privately by individuals. In villages, there are people with land ownership. Urban people own plots, houses, and other property. Plantation, ponds, etc. are some examples of individual resources. Community owned resources. There are resources which are accessible to all the members of community. Grazing grounds, public parks, picnic spots are the examples of these resources. Third, national resources. Technically, all the resources belong to the nation. The country has legal powers to acquire even private property for public good. All the minerals, water resources, forest, wildlife, etc. resources belong to the nation. Fourth, international resources. There are international institutions which regulate some resources beyond 200 nautical miles of the exclusive economic zone belong to open ocean, and no individual country can utilize the concurrence of international institutions. D. On the basis of status of development. First, potential resources. Resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized. For example, the western part of India have enormous potential for the development of wind and solar energy. Second, developed resources. Resources which are surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization. Third, stock. Materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs, but human beings do not have the appropriate technology to assess these are included among stock. For example, water is compound of two gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen can be used as a rich source of energy. Fourth, reserves. Reserves are the subset of the stock which can be put into use with the help of existing technical know-how, but their use has not been started. The water in the dams, forest, etc. is a reserve which can be used in the future.